My grandmother was a teacher back in Iran. And anytime I met any of her former students, they spoke of her with such a pride that she was my teacher. She made a difference in my life. And we never had a teacher like her. And that's something that resonated with me. And I said, I want to be just like her.
Every day, we're supposed to be making sure that we are teaching when we're walking, when we're sitting, when we're waking up, and when we're going to bed. And I guarantee that every teacher, that every Rav, that every Mora in this beautiful school is thinking about teaching when they wake up and when they go to bed. They are thinking about how they can be here for you. They're precious, precious gems.
How many people here have heard of the Academy Award? How many know Academy Award, right? It's given for excellence in acting, right? And the Emmy Award, excellence in television. Have you heard of the Nobel Prize? Yeah. We figured that the most important position, the most important profession and job in our society should be rewarded with a very special prize. Today, we're going to give one of those 4 prizes at Yeshiva Aharon Yaakov, Ohr Eliyahu, okay? That individual is none other than Rabbi Reuven Youkhehpaz.
The years that, I've been married, the support that I have received from my wife is unbelievable. There's not one day that she has come home and she's ever asked me, I wish you were so-and-so, you wish you did such a thing in your life. She always tells me, I'm the happiest woman because you are a teacher, you're a Rebbe.